Are you tired of working hard in your digital marketing agency and barely moving the needle? Or maybe you're ready to finally leave your 9-to-5 and create a life of freedom and financial independence? Well, you're in luck because you just found the one channel that's going to help you start, scale, and dominate the world of digital marketing, and fast. My name is Adam McChesney, and this is Digital Nomad Marketing. Over the last 6 years, I've now started 2 different agencies that have grown to 7-figure plus businesses. This channel is for people who want more in life and business, more freedom, more income, and more fulfillment. So whether you're stuck struggling to scale your agency or you're just starting out and don't know where to begin, this is your roadmap to results. Here we blend both proven strategies with actionable tactics that you can use today to build the life and business you've always dreamed of. We'll cover everything from building a personal brand that attracts clients on autopilot to scaling systems that free up your time and make your business run like a machine. You'll discover many things, like how to sign your first or next client without begging for them to work with you. We'll talk about the actual marketing strategies that are going to add incremental income streams to your business. We'll also dive into some of the advanced scaling techniques that take you from freelancer to actual business owner and CEO. And the best part is all of this is not just theory. It's real battle-tested advice from someone who's built multiple 7-figure agencies and businesses and helped countless others do the same. The thing is, you don't have to go and do this alone. The Digital Nomad Marketing channel and community is more than just videos. We have a full community of go-getters, dreamers, and doers. Make sure to join our free Facebook group, Builders of Authority. There's a link in the channel description where I post daily content and do even more trainings. And if you haven't done so already, make sure to sign up for a free trial of GHL. This is the software we use to run our entire business. Inside of Builders of Authority and everybody that's been following the Digital Nomad Marketing channel, you'll connect with other digital marketers, entrepreneurs, and creators who are all on the same mission to build a business that lets you live your life on your terms. And I'll be right there with you, sharing what's working and what's not, so that way you can stay ahead of the game. This is your moment. Stop waiting for the perfect time and start creating the life and business you've always wanted. Make sure to subscribe now to turn your vision into reality, because the journey to your dream business and life starts here. I'll see you in the next video.